The highball, the most easiest cocktail. It's based with whiskey and soda water. So take your highball glass, fill it with ice. I'm sure most of you know about this whiskey and most of you have drank this, so you got to try it anyway. Take your blended whiskey, any blended scotch or whatever you prefer, your preferred whiskey. Add about 60 ml. And top it up with soda. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's really fizzy. And just like that, that's your highball. Cheers. I'm sure you all know what's a highball and what's it taste like. If you haven't tried a highball, you got to try this. Cheers. That's amazing. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Drop me a comment if you want to see any more different cocktails that you want. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. That's it for now. Until then,